Hello friends. We witnessed worst ever week of current financial year in terms of both index loss and FII selling, whereas India VIX registered the highest weekly rise. Nifty lost more than 700 points. It was the highest ever weekly loss in Nifty. Prior to this, we saw such weekly loss in the month of January 2021, which is of 737 points, but Nifty rose by almost 1300 points in immediate next week. Till now, Nifty is down for more than 1500 points from its recent high, that is more than 8% loss. So what next? Market to go down further? Or it's near the short-term bottom? Corrections are very much needed in setting down the inflated valuation of stocks and overall market. But nobody can predict with any degree of certainty whether a correction will reverse or turn into a bear market. However, historically, most corrections haven't become bear market. Mostly Nifty is short-term bottom, but market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. Coming back to this week BT Market Talk Weekend Review, in which we are going to take a look at the comparative analysis of then Nifty levels with the Nifty now, along with then P and volatility as well. We will also be looking at FII and DII, buying selling figures, option chain data and important levels to watch for Nifty. So without wasting more time, let's start. Welcome to Budgetary TV's BT Market Talk Weekend Review for the week ended on 26 November 2021. Last week, Nifty made high of 17,805, low of 16,986 and closed at 17,026. Now let's look at Nifty journey. On 26 November 2020, Nifty was at 12,987. which is up by 4,039 points. 3 years back it was at 10,629, is up by more than 6,300 points. And 5 years back, Nifty was at 8,114, which is by now up by little above 8,900 points. That is around 110% gain in last 5 years. Before going to FII and DII data, if you find the given information useful, then give it a like, share with your friends and give your suggestions in comment section below. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. This will encourage us to give enriched content. Now coming to FII and DII data. FII selling like anything. Last week selling figures of FII is more than 21,100 crore, which is the highest weekly selling by FII in current financial year. DII bought for 10,935 crore. In November so far, FII sold for 31,124 crore and DII bought for more than 20,599 crore. In current financial year, foreign institutional investors have sold for more than 99,600 crore in Indian share market, whereas domestic plus retail money have bought for more than 76,477 crore. Moving to option chain data, looking at top 5 open interest positions of calls and puts suggest market trading range has been shifted down to 16,700 to 17,700 from 17,500 to 18,500 levels for near term. So to conclude, last week market decisively broke the all near term support levels and closed below 100 days moving average of 17,100. VIX above 20 may cause market to give fast and furious movements. On lower side, Nifty may try to take support somewhere near 16,500 to 16,700 to 16,800 levels, and on higher side it may face resistance 17,200, 17,300 to 17,500 level. It will be interesting to see how new corona variant pan out in the world and how the global market reacts to it. Thanks for watching Budgetary TV. Happy new week ahead. Let's meet in the next week with new analysis.